Yo, what up, though? It's your boy Street Coder Nate, and we back at it again with another video. So today, what we're going to be doing is going over the basic features that are installed when you get your Muse S or your Muse 2 device. So let's tap in. Let's get it. All right, so before we even start getting into programming the device, we want to know what the device is really capable of. This is why I want to go through and show y'all this basic app that they give you when you start off. And it's kind of not even that basic for real. Reading your EEG from the brain and it's showing you the waves and shit. So it's real cool. So from those like waves and whatnot and all the data that's really brought to you after you do a meditation, you can start to think what we can do with this technology because they open sourced it to us. This shit is dope. So without further ado, I'm about to do is hop in, put this on, throw on a meditation and whatnot, and then show y'all what we about to get down and do. All right, so what we're going to do is first download the basic application. It's called Muse, M-U-S-E. You can get it from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. I already got to download it. So I'm just going to type in, I already got typed in Muse. You'll see it right there. You click it and pretty much it just bring you up to your personal stuff and then you can go to meditation. And so I go to meditate and you probably don't have to connect your device. My device is already connected. I'm gonna press the Bluetooth and you'll see, well, it ain't turned on yet, so let me turn it on. There we go. Your device is now connected. So now that my device is connected, I can put it on my forehead and get to going. Wrap it around my head, get to going. So make sure that the orange part down there, make sure that that is at the bottom. You see this green light, that's how you know it's on. Then you want to put it on your forehead like these. Straighten it out. And then lower it around your ears. Like make sure there's no hair around there. And then bada boom, bada bam, you should be straight. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, well, you see the UI. The UI is pretty basic. It is not much here, but it's pretty cool. And you can do all different types of meditations. So you got the mind meditation, you got the heart meditation, body meditation, breath meditation, guided meditation, and then a timer for real. So I'm just going to continue doing the mind one right now. And just to show y'all how it works. It's about 3 minutes or whatnot. So what we do, we start it. You're going to start it up. It's connecting, making sure it's connected to my device. Make sure your device is connected. There we go. Your device is connected. So once the device is connected, what it's going to do is start reading your waves, your brain waves. So I got to get quiet so that I can hear it. But what you'll see is that these solid colors are when it shows you what parts is really connected in this reading. So if I get quiet, you'll see.
For this calibration, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Muse is now listening to your brain signals. Relax and let your mind flow naturally. If your mind wanders, let it wander. If your mind is blank, that's okay too. You're probably a bit more comfortable meditating with Muse now. This time, let's try a different technique and see what happens. Counting your breaths as they flow in and out of your body can help anchor your attention and make it easier to notice when your mind drifts. When you're ready, close your eyes and bring a relaxed attention to your breath. For this session, gently count each time you breathe out. Once you've counted 10 breaths, start back at 1 and begin the count again. See if you can count in your head with a voice that is gentle, kind, and joyful. This meditation should be relaxed and effortless. Release any sense of control and let your breath flow naturally. When the weather gets intense and you notice that you've lost count or counted past 10, don't worry. It's all part of the process. Just start your count back at 1 without judging how you're doing. Ready? Begin counting your breaths now. Great job.
All right, so after that meditation, next thing it tells you to do is write a journal. So let's just real quick, okay, read meditation. How do you feel? I always feel good in my meditations. And so now you just write a quick journal. I kept getting distracted because I know I am recording myself. But after a while, I began to drift into a calm state of mind. I noticed that every time, see, you just write a quick little journal. Notice that every time I breathe in, the rain got harder. And when I breathe out, the rain was softer. I lost count a few times. and probably went over 10 once. Just like that, save it, boom. All right, so this is the fun part now. The fun part is looking at your stats. And I'm looking at my stats and I see like I wasn't calm the whole time. It shows me that I was 51 seconds calm, 17 seconds active. In the middle of my meditation, I was 17 seconds active. I wonder what I was thinking about in that. And then I was neutral most of the time. Like I was, just trying to get my mind to calm down and be chill, get to that calm state of mind. And so they'll give you some stats. You see a journal down there, but then also, what you will also see is that you can go into your stats, show you what these stats mean, that the Muse points are awarded for every second. You meditate in a neutral, calm state. You receive 1 point per second spent in neutral and 3 points per second spent in calm. That's important. Okay, recoveries. Recoveries from an active to neutral represent effort spent noticing your distractions. Like I said, I would notice that the rain was getting harder when I breathed in. So I guess I had a whole bunch of recoveries. This builds the skill of focus. And that's what I'm trying to do right now on my own selfish, like learn how to focus, stop getting distracted. And then, did you hear the birds? Birds land nearby when you're calm for a long time. So I probably heard 2 birds. That was pretty good. Yep, I heard 2 birds like right by each other. And it seems like I noticed I was distracted at the beginning a lot, towards the middle when I was real active. It looks like when I start to get active is when I notice my distractions. So these points are real cool. So then you just save it. And then it goes with your statistics right here. And you can see your history. You can set goals and all of this. And then you even got the sleep stuff, but I don't really tap in with the sleep just yet. But that's pretty much the Muse right outside the box. All right, so I know we just got done meditating, but hold up. This motherfucker dope. Like, y'all see this shit? I rock this bitch. Walk down the street like, what up, dope? Mine. All right, though. These statistics, though, they gonna get you right. We're gonna take a look at through all these statistics and figure out how we can use them to program different applications for ourselves to create some dope shit from this Muse band. We're gonna do that by looking at this API, right, Chia, in the next video. So tap in the next video, and I'm gonna get y'all right. Deuces.